Hey guys, Jade Alpine Companies. More videos here on this epoxy project I'm working on. I'm just gonna try to find some good spots where you could hear some hollow. I've came behind so many other companies and individuals that just think this is a simple thing to do. Yeah, we're gonna glue on our ports and seal between the cracks, but if you don't check every square inch, you're gonna hear some hollow spots. Hear that right there? So usually what would happen is people would just install ports right up over the top of this stuff without checking out what's underneath this. And what's underneath it is just gonna be probably a big old honeycomb pocket. You hear how hollow that is. I'll get that area broken out. I'll take another video so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Jade Alpine. You can follow this project on my website, www.alpinecompanies.com. Click on my YouTube link, and you can watch over 2,000 videos on my projects. Thanks for watching, Jade Alpine. Little epoxy injection job. See you guys on the next video.